So I heard Dad has a lead on Dwyer.
We have a location. I'm gonna head there any minute.
Just flash, nobody's gonna say this time.
Actually, I think I'm just gonna talk to him father to father.
It's a really good idea, Dad.
Hey, Doc.
Dr. Ambrose told us where to find you. I just want to talk.
There's no more talking. Every time one of you metas comes near the rest of us, good people get hurt. This is what you all deserve.
Does that include Grace? Ambrose hasn't told you. Grace, she's a meta. The night the satellite crashed, she was hit with a piece of shrapnel infected with dark matter. That's why she's in a coma. And now it's changing her.
That's a lie.
And that's why Ambrose told us where to find you. She's afraid. She's afraid you're gonna do the one thing you can't come back from. I know how much you care about Grace. You're trying to make the world a better place for her. She didn't choose to be a meta, but she is. Does that mean she deserves to die?
I would never hurt Grace.
Then you'd let her grow up in a world of fear, where there's someone out there hurting people like her. The cure. It will heal Grace. And you.
Why should I believe you, Flash?
Because I'm a father, too. My daughter, I love her more than I ever thought possible. I would do anything to make the world a better place for her.